All right, so I have a Craftsman YT 4000 here. This thing's like 15 years old, and I plow snow with it. And over the years, it's gotten slower. And I was just plowing, and it'll go forward really slow or not at all, or it'll go fast, super fast, the fastest it's ever gone in reverse. So I checked all the linkage. This is what my linkage looks like down in here. Everything looks good, but reverse seems really tight and it goes super fast. So if you're having this problem, this is what I've come to conclude. So I've taken the tire off, which it's just this rubber cap. It's just this rubber cap and this E-clip. Just pop that off. 2 washers and the tire came right off. So what I have noticed is that my frame, the weld, is separated right here. It broke. So what I believe happened now is the rear end shifted forward. So when you push the pedal down, there's not enough throw for, my gas pedal is bottoming out and I'm going like a half a mile an hour. And now that this is shifted forward, when we go in reverse, it's like really, there's a lot of throw to put the thing in reverse. So it'll go in reverse, no problem. So I have to re-weld this. But for now, so I can get this back out on the snowplow, so I can go back snow plowing, I'm going to line this up and just drill a hole and throw a bolt in it for now. I think there's enough clearance in there to get it out of the way, so I'm going to do that. So here you can see how I took a center punch. It's like a puzzle. Watch it go right back into place. See that? That weld broke right there, probably from the weight on the back of the lawnmower over these years. So ideally, you just want to weld this up, get this like perfectly aligned, just like that, and weld it up. And the bottom here, see this? See, look at their laser weld. It looks like it completely missed all these years and only had a little bit of weld right here. So this could be an easy fix to just, I think for now, I'm going to just bolt it because I got a welder. My welder's in my other shop and it's tied up right now and I just want to finish plowing. So I think I'm just going to put a self-tapper screw in there and a bolt. And let's see if this fixes the problem. All right, just for the time being, I'm going to just leave this bolt in here and I got a self-tapper. The self-tapper let me pull it together so that I could line everything up. And then I just threw the bolt in there. And I'm just going to finish. I am going to end up re-welding this and re-welding this. Look at that. That weld completely missed. So for the last 15 years, it's only been riding on one weld up here. And just that little bit. So I don't know. That's just what happens. So let's go see if it fixes my forward problem. All right. So I just got done using the snow blower. And we got a lot of snow. But 15 inches and it works perfect. So fixing that rear end fixed all my problems. I've been having that problem, like it's been getting worse over the last couple summers because I do use this to cut grass too. So I feel like it's been like slowly creeping up and eventually it just broke all the way or it like self collapsed on itself. And therefore, I really needed to fix it or get to the problem. So this fixed everything. And it's back to going super fast or regularly how it was when I bought the machine 15 years ago.